All right, just don't mind me. I'm not going to do any actual work, but I'm going to document
Katie is here.
the suffering. Yeah, you know.
What station are you from?
Channel 4. So, somehow, I was told somehow you're responsible for this.
Well, that was a couple years ago.
This looks fresh.
The statute of limitations. It's a statue, right?
You have a chainsaw in your hand, the tree is cut. Did you do that?
I'm from the association. This is in violation. I'm writing them up.
Were you stringing cable to this house? Yeah, can you believe it didn't hit the 20-year-old truck, but hit the that one's 6 months old and this one's a year and a half old. Somehow Luke's involved? Luke?
Yeah, I broke the tree. Luke and it's all my fault here.
Climbing.
I did it.
Climbing.
Somebody didn't get. He didn't get
The memo.
his allowance, so he was upset. Somebody told him to do the dishes.